From December 1st to December 24th, I will be posting daily videos. Each day, I will be making a different quilt block with you guys. I will get up, walk the dog, get myself a cup of tea, and pick a quilt block. And then I will cut the fabric and make it. This is my very first Vlogmas, and it may just be my last because it is going to be insane. Will you join me? Then don't forget to tap the notification bell to make sure you do not miss out on any of the videos. I think I'm ready to start. Are you? Last week of Vlogmas. I won't lie, I will miss it a lot. It's been so much fun. I have to keep reminding myself the channel won't be over after this. You know, that's how sad I get. Thank you for doing this with me. I had no idea there was a quilt block named French Braid. Well, now I know, and I am doing it with you guys. It's fun to make and a lot of colors to use. You know, it's the perfect project to use those leftover scraps of fabric you've been keeping. A quick reminder that if you want to know about the materials, the tools, and the filming gear I used for this video, you can check out the links in the description.